moment before I go in. Hello, so when I got into the scan, I had to go into a room and just get my heart rate down to 60 beats per minute. They gave me, sometimes you need some beta blockers to get that down. In my case, I didn't. I was already at steer, and when I held my breath, I was able to get it down to 55. Then we moved into the room. They gave me a spray, a GT spray that opens up the vessel. That can give you a headache. Then I lay down, and then the test began. So on the second and third one, they start putting the dye into your heart through the catheter that they put in. And then after that, you get the pictures, and then before you know it, you're out. Grab a couple of coffee, a couple of biscuits, including a Tim Tam, and then half an hour later, you can take the catheter out, and before you know it, you're on your way home. So, and it was all good because I needed to see if I need to take cholesterol tablets or not. I'll still have to find that out, but hopefully not, and this test will be well and worth it.